Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will this problem. It's very simple. Okay, and I will solve at the same time both this problem also. Okay. Now, Chandru Limited has been resorted to internal reconstruction. The scheme is as under. Okay. I am going to solve at the same time. Okay. So let me write down here. I will just put in the next form. I'll just okay. Question number we are going to solve now. Question number 12. Okay. Question number 12. 20 marks and already 15 marks problem I have discussed. 5 marks problem I am going to solve now means this chapter carries 20 marks weightage. Okay. I'll just prepare here. I'll copy the format of this journal entry. Okay. So Messrs Chandru Limited. We are going to pass journal entry for this one. On which date? Oh, they are not given. So as well dash nothing will come here. Right. So instead of that date, what column will come here? We have to write as a what? Date is not given. So we have to write here what?
Serial number.
Serial number.
Number. Serial number we have to write. Okay, the date is not mentioned here. Now let us go one by one. Only 4 adjustments are there. It's very simple. Concentrate everyone. This question might get repeated. Such kind of question for you also. Listen carefully. 80,000 equity shares are there in the company and one share value is 10 rupees fully paid, and this 80,000 has been converted into 40,000 equity share of rupees 5 each. Very simple. This, if you remember in the class, I have told you something called what are the methods of alteration of share capital. We have new issue shares, we have consolidation of shares, subdivision of shares, conversion of shares into stock. These are the some methods are available for doing the alteration of share capital. So 80,000 equity shares are there, old 80,000 10 rupees. What the company is doing, they converting that 80,000 shares into how many share? 40,000 share, and one share value they are again reducing from 10 rupees to how much rupees? 5 rupees. Nothing you have to do. Old shares are how much, that you have to write first. Equity share capital. Okay. How much is the old share capital? Old shares are how many? 80,000 shares. 80,000 shares are there in the company which face value how much? 10 rupees. Equity share capital account debit. So which is how much rupees? 8 lakh rupees. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now 80,000 equity share to be converted into how much? 40,000 equity share of 5 rupees is, means 10 rupees face value of the equity share has bring down to how much? 5. And again here shares also along with face value, even the number of shares also getting reduced. So it is a 1 second profit for the company, right? So here let me write, this is my old, okay, to equity share, okay, concentrate everyone, to equity share capital which is new. How many new they are reducing? 40,000 shares. Correct.
40,000.
What is the number of shares value? What is the face value of the shares?
5 rupees, sir.
5 rupees.
5.
5 rupees. So 40,000 into 5 how much then?
2 lakh.
2
2
lakh.
lakhs. Means out of 8 lakh, 2 lakh rupees we are giving the new equity share. Means remaining it will go to which account?
Capital reduction account.
Capital reduction.
it will go to capital reduction account. So to capital reduction account. How much rupees? 6 lakh rupees. So done. Entry. First entry is done. Completed. So being reduced in the value of equity share. Let us go to the second entry. Now concentrate everyone. I think you got some idea in the first transaction. Second transaction, see. 40,000, 12% preference share of rupees how much? 100 each. There are, sorry, 4,000, 12% preference share of rupees how much? 100 each, which is fully paid, and they are going to be to be converted into how many? 40,000 equity share of rupees how much? 5 each. Now you see, don't get panic. It is nothing but preference shareholders are there. 12% preference shares are there in the company. For 12% preference shareholder, we are giving them equity shares. Possible. For preference shareholders, we can give them equity share. Possible. Yes. So what are the old preference share capital is how much? 4,000 into 100. It is nothing but 4 lakh. So let us pass here the entry of this. How this entry will come? 12%. Okay. 12% preference share let me write here, preference share capital is old. Okay, old is nothing but in the debit. How many? 4,000 into 100. So 4,000 into how much? Hundreds are there, which is account debit. So 4,000 into 100 means how much it will come?
4 lakh.
Now this, for this preference shareholder, what we are giving them? We are giving them what? We are giving them equity shares. How many equity shares we are giving them? 40,000. 40,000 equity shares we are giving, and one share value we are giving them how much rupees? 5. Ultimately
5 rupees.
5 rupees. From old preference share face value was 100. So they converted into shares, but again the face value of equity share is 5 rupees. So to new equity share, we are giving them equity share, right? How much equity share we are giving them? 40,000 equity share, and one share value will be how much? 5 rupees. So 40,000 into 5 means how much it will come?
2 lakhs, sir.
2 lakh rupees. Correct? Now we have to give preference shareholder 4 lakh rupees, but we are giving them only how much? 2 lakh rupees, and that too in the form of equity share. Means remaining 2 lakh will go to which account?
Capital reduction.
Capital reduction of
Capital reduction account, which is nothing but how much? 2 lakh rupees. Done. Debit credit tally. So what will be my narration here? Being reduced, okay, in the value of the preference shareholders or preference share capital. Let us go to the third. Now concentrate everyone. 600, 15% debentures are there, and one debenture value is how much? 1,000 rupees each. 1,000 rupees each. Underline. 600, 15% debentures of rupees how much? 1,000 each, and they are going to be discharged. What is the meaning of discharge? Means we are going to allot, and it is a kind of settlement. Okay, discharge. How we are going to discharge? Nothing but settlement by issue of 80,000 equity share of rupees how much? 5 each fully paid. By issue of equity share of rupees how much? 5 each fully paid. Means we are going to give for debenture holder, what we are giving them here? Tell me here. In the second transaction, what happened? For preference shareholder, what we gave them?
Equity share.
We gave
equity shares.
equity share. For here 15% debenture, what we are giving them?
Equity share.
Equity share.
80,000 equity shares.
80,000 equity share. So what will be my entry here? What is the entry here? 15% debenture, which is nothing but how many debentures are there? 600. 600, one
600.
debenture value nothing but this is old. Okay, account debit. Okay, let us calculate. 600 into 1000 is how much?
6.
6 lakh rupees. 2. What we are giving them now? We are giving them what? 80,000.
Equity shares of 80,000.
So 2 new equity shares, right? So 2 new equity share capital. How many equity shares we are giving them? 80,000.
80,000.
And one share value we had decided how much rupees?
5 rupees.
5.
80,000 into 5 how much?
4 lakh.
4 lakh.
4 lakh rupees. Means we have to give them 6 lakh rupees debenture holders, but we are giving them 4 lakh rupees of equity shareholder. Remaining amount will go to which account?
Capital reduction.
That's account.
Capital reduction account. So remaining amount will go to capital reduction account. So this is the entry for this one. So in capital reduction account, how much will go then?
2 lakh.
2 lakh.
2 lakh rupees. So what will be my narration? Being settlement of debenture holder. Being settlement of debenture holder. Done. That's all will be my journal entry. Okay. Now let us go to the fourth one. Now what fourth one is saying, see, the amount so available, okay, the amount so available means the amount of capital reduction account. Amount if is so available, it has to be in the apportion, nothing but to be written off the following items. Whatever the amount you will get in capital reduction account, we have to use to write off. First one is profit and loss account. Debit balance is how much? 4 lakh rupees. Goodwill is 2 lakh rupees and plant and machinery is 1,50,000 rupees. So whatever the amount you will get balance in capital reduction account, you have to use that amount to write off profit and loss account, to write off goodwill and to write off plant and machinery. So for that what we need to do, we need to calculate what is the balance which is available in the capital reduction account. So let us take debit side total minus credit side total. So check any debit side is there, capital reduction account. First one it is not there.
No, sir.
Second one is also not there and third one is also not there. So debit side will become 0. What is the credit side total of capital reduction account? Okay, here 6 lakh rupees. Okay, now
2 lakh rupees.
plus we have once again 2 lakh rupees and then
Plus
once
2 lakh.
again plus we have 2 lakh rupees. Total will come to rupees how much?
10 lakh.
10 lakh.
We have 10 lakh rupees in our capital reduction account. Okay, let us take how much? 10 lakh rupees. From this 10 lakh rupees, what and all I have need to write off? Profit and loss account how much? 4 lakh rupees. Correct, no?
Yes.
Sir.
And then I need to write off once again minus. I need to do
Goodwill 2 lakh.
goodwill is how much?
Goodwill 2 lakh.
2 lakh.
Lakh rupees of goodwill. Then minus plant and machinery.
Plant and machinery 1,50,000, sir.
Plant and machinery 1,50,000. Now, if you take the total 4 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 1,50,000, how much total?
7,50,000, sir.
So from 10 lakh, we can easily minus how much? 7,50,000 rupees, right?
50,000.
So what is the balance?
2,50,000.
2,50,000 will be the balance in my capital reduction account. So here also I can write 2,50,000. Now, so first pass the entry for writing of what we are doing. So capital what? Capital reduction account will be my debit. Capital reduction account debit 2. One by one we'll write down. Okay. First one is profit and loss account, which is how much? 4 lakh rupees. Then what is the next item I have to write off? 2
To goodwill account.
goodwill, right? So to goodwill account is how much?
2
2
lakhs, sir.
2 lakh rupees. Then last one is what? To plant and
Plant and machinery.
machinery account, which is how much? 2 lakh
1
50,
lakh 50,000, sir.
sorry, 1 lakh
1
50,
lakh 50,000, sir.
1 lakh 50,000. If you take the total of this one, it will come 7 lakh 50,000. This is the total amount we have been write off of fees. So what will be the narration? Being the return of fictitious assets, being written off which asset? Fictitious asset. That is what we have to do here. And finally, what will be my last entry will come?
Closing entry.
Closing of capital reduction account.
Yes, closing of capital reduction account. So now in my capital reduction account, 10 lakh rupees was balance initially. I used 7 lakh 50,000 for writing off. So only how much left? 2 lakh 50,000. That 2 lakh 50 will go to which account? Capital. We have to transfer.
Capital reserve account.
So capital reduction account debit to capital reserve account. So here it will come how much? 2,50,000 rupees. 2,50,000 rupees. So what will be my narration here? Being closed capital reduction account. Being closed capital reduction account. So this is the solution for question number 12. This is the solution for question number 12. So that's all from my side. So very simple problem. Okay, we have completed for 5 marks. So I'll just stop here. Thank you.